Hello, people. Welcome back. And I really very apologize that my extension, the Qlik and Style Light, is not working properly for the Feb version. And I have seen a lot of people, three or four, and some of them are really, uh, you know, giving me a lot of comments that it is not working properly and the issues. I'll surely, look into it. In this version, I will release a new version also for the light. But I wanted to release a good version, a very stable version, which is going to be used with the theming API, the ClickSense theming API, and have made it easy again. And you will get almost uh, all the options which were available on the light version. Yeah. Almost all the not just the resize and all that stuff, but you will get some of the edges like the major one, like the table uh, object, and in sheet title level background, etc., etc. You will get. So, how it actually works? So it is very simple. I have made a mashup. So I'll provide you with the Qlik API mashup. So here you can see CSS and JSON. So if you are not familiar with the theming API, so you will have a QXT file, a JSON file, and a CSS file. These three files will be available for you. In JSON file, you will have the structure. So in my case, my structure is not that good. I have written this hand coded, everything like this, everything. So it was very annoying for me too. So what I did was I basically made a mashup for myself, and I encapsulated everything which is written here in CSS, which was basically taken from my old extensions, the Clicks and Styler extension, and I made it for the Feb version. So first, when you get this mashup out, so first you need to clear these, and you have to add a table, a normal table chart, a pivot table, and any object like bar chart or some other objects, just to get the alignment and everything. So I'll show you that. But before you go, you need to go to the JS file. In the JS file, I've written some crap here, so I don't need this. I'll just select and remove this, so you will not get this. So you should select the app here. So in my case, I have a app training. So some of the people know that I do give training on ClickSense widgets and extensions and all. I'll just add this. I'll refresh this now. So now I have my training attached. So here I have made some pivot table and a combo chart. So I'll add a combo chart first, then by adding a table and then a pivot table. Okay. So it is saved automatically. Yes, I like it. So in the next version of this mashup, I'll also add the selection bar also. So for now I'll add it, but in the next version most probably. So I'm releasing it a little early just because people are commenting a lot. 8 issues has been placed just because it is not working in the Feb version, as I said. And I got one more which says background issue. Okay. So I have to see that also, but this can be solved. I have to solve that. But here you can see, I'll just increase. Okay. So now I have 3 charts. and some sheet styling option. So let's see. There is an issue actually, so I'll just remove the selection bar. So I have this now. I'll refresh. Okay, so this basically means the top head, basically the theme example, this part. Okay, this is what it means. The logo is here, the text objects is here, right? So as you can see, we can also color this also like this. So for this basically, okay, for this, okay, and let's say sheet setting. So you have title bar, you want it or you don't want it. As you can see, major options are available for now. Yes, I want the title. So what should be the title size? Now you will see the title size will change, so you can see everything on fly. Let's say 20 pixels, and it is gone to 20 pixels. Same goes with the sheet title. The image which to 200 pixel, that will be good, or I can increase it to 250 also if you have that big image. Yes, I want a sheet background, so you can basically add a URL which was just commented today itself. I think so 22 hours. Yes, so this is being solved. So you can add a color also if you want. Let's say for now C. Okay, and you can see the CSS has been generating on fly over here only. So I'll tell you how to use this CSS directly. So sheet setting is done. Object setting, yes, I want it to be transparent. Ignore KPI values, yes, this option was also there. So border for my chart, I'll increase the border to just for demonstration purpose. You can do your own styling. Solid, I'll say for now black. Okay, margin, I want 5 pixels. Okay, so as you can see, it is happening properly. See, so here I can select a color for background of my chart. For now I want, let's say, a little grayish color. Okay, title color can also be adjusted. I want the black, and the title should be a little gray, and I'll just take the background to white. So this is looking nice, right? As you can see, the this is creating a problem. So I'll say 10 5 2 5 10 5 2 5. Okay, perfect. So okay, I decrease it to 2 only. Okay, now the object title padding also is there. So I'll say 2 pixels. So this is going to be arranged. Obviously you can give something like this also if you want. 5 2 2. Perfect. Font size, object title font size, obviously you can edit it like 20 pixels, let's say. Okay, so you can give the appropriate one. Font weight, you want it bold, normal, or light. So normal, so it is going to change to normal. Okay, object styling is done. Table styling, important, very important. Header color, change to black. Header background, let's say to somewhat like blue but a little dark, and I'll do this white. Total, if you have any, bottom, so I'll give this only. Copy, paste, paste. Paste dimension. This is very important. So do you want the dimension text to be on the center, right, or left? So let's say left. So it is going to be in left, right, or center. I like it center. Same goes to the measure also. Okay, basically the numbers. Custom text, if any, you have a character here. Let's say triangle or something. So that comes into the custom one. So I'll take it center. Header text align, obviously right, left, or center. And as you can see, everything is going forward on the new version of Qlik, that is the February one. Okay. The row font size, yes, I want it, let's say 15 pixels. The header to be 20 pixels, and odd color to be a little gray, even to a little more to the white one, and I have that right here. So this is looking quite nice. You can change this gray to some other color if you want. Table styling is done. Okay. Pivot styling, this is also necessary. So in pivot, I'll increase this. Okay. Header color, obviously black. Background to the blue one, so I'll take this one. And this to white. Perfect. So you want it on center. Row font size, let's say, actually not center, to left. Row font size, let's say 15 pixels. See, it is increased. Header font size, let's say 18 pixels, and it is increased. So I'll decrease it to 15 only. So I have my CSS now. So for now, we have only these options, and still it is very much beautiful, looking very much beautiful. And I'll just go ahead and copy this. I'll make a new extension. So I'm actually showing you the process while going through everything. So I'll make a new extension. Let's say test template, test theme template actually. I'll choose basic visualization. Don't go into the drill. So in type, you need to change the type from visualization to theme. Change this if you want. I don't want to. I'll delete this. Now what you need to do is you need to add .css. Paste your CSS. Okay. Theme.json. And I have my JSON also. Now what you need to do is if you use any CSS formatter like I do, so you can format your CSS. So it is formatted now. So I can see it says background image. Actually it is a bug, I need to fix that. So I'll copy this now and I paste it here to the extension. Okay, perfect. Okay, and in the JSON you need to write something. So what you can do is you can go to Google, say ClickSense theme. You will go to clicksensetheme.com. A very good theme builder. I love it. So you get the basic structure from here. So you can just use that, or you need, if you want, you can go to my part also, but mine is not that great. Yes, you can go ahead and add your grouping and everything. It works fine, but still, I feel that one is much more, uh, flexible and much more good. So if I export it, I'll have everything here. So I can copy this also, and I'll paste it here. Okay. Or you can go to the theme part. You can do all the necessary additions and everything here, dimension, color, measure color, whatever it is. Based on that, you will see everything here. And when you click on download, you will get a basic template which says type to theme, version, author, and everything. Theme.json and theme.css. Let's see. I just made that right. So I'll go to my dashboard. I'll refresh it. And let's see it is working or not. I have not tested also. Yes, it is working. See? And the theme is applied to everything. Okay. So I have given these two colors, right? As you can see, the color has been applied. So when I go here to color, to presentation, to colors, color, single color, to by measure, or by multicolored. So this is the color, right? So I have chosen this color here. See, these two colors I have chosen it here. That is the reason why it is coming here. So you can make your own scheme over here in my place, and you can make your own scheme over here also. So this is much more flexible for me also. It is very good. It is very user friendly. So I make my theme.json from here, and I theme it by adding the CSS here, and I just download it, my CSS from here, from my uh, you know from my mashup. So I'm going to share this mashup today, and hope you all like it and all your bugs and everything has been solved. So yes, you can add your image also, background image also. So what I'll do is I'll just add one image and I'll show you. So I think this problem will also be solved for the background image. So let's say I'm just showing for the people who don't know how to do it. Okay, CSS property. So you will have the repeat function also. So you want to repeat it or not, etc., etc. Okay. So let's say this is what the image is. So if I copy this, okay, and I go to my CSS, I paste it here. I need to add the image here. So I'll go here and I'll select the image. Body. Okay. Sorry. This is the paper GF. I personally like it. And I copy and paste it here. I think so. This is the. I'll just do it once again. Yes. I'll refresh my front end now. Before doing that, I'm going to, make it a little small so that we can see it. Yes, it is working. See, I have my image in the background. It is working just fine. Oh, wow, it is looking actually very good. It is looking actually very good. Wow, yeah, I didn't expect this from my extension. Wow, what a dashboard. As you know, F11, and actually this is not looking nice, so I'll delete this, or I'll convert it to something else. Let's say uh, design, category wise, sales. Refresh. Perfect. So if I give a title, perfect. This is what I want, right? This is everyone who wants like this. So I have a bug here. It says full screen option issue. Okay. So it is getting a background color. So I'll add this too. That this shouldn't happen actually. Okay. So a lot of CSS changes from Qlik end. Actually I'll add it to my this extension also. And they are saying background color, I think. So I'll just take this. Perfect. Okay. So I'll add this CSS also over there into my Qlik theming API, JS and all. So no one will face a issue. I have written a lot of things here. Okay, so I hope everyone likes this, and you will get your issues solved and all. So I'll meet you on the next video when I make it. Thank you everyone. Thank you very much. Add it. Perfect. I'll upload this today itself, so it will be available for everyone. Okay. So don't forget to change. I'm telling you once again, don't forget to change. To clear this, I'll just do that also. And don't forget to add a app. Okay. Yeah. So app ID here. Don't forget to add it here. So this will really help you. So I'll add selection bar CSS also in future, so it will help. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.